Doc,
Oh,
kailangan ko ng vitamins para tumaba.
ayan ka na naman eh. Ang vitamins ay hindi ginagamit yan ng pagkain kasi ang laman nito is minerals basically, no? Wala siyang carbohydrates, wala siyang protein. Ang kailangan mo para tumaba or mag-build up ka ng muscles is protein and carbohydrates, which is mainly nanggagaling yan sa pagkain. So, ibig sabihin, pag kumakain ka ng tama, balance yung diet mo, meron kang recommended na carbohydrates, recommended yung protein mo, at saka recommended yung minerals. Ibig sabihin, yung mga vegetables, kompleto ka yan. That would be enough. Kasi meron tayong tinatawag na recommended daily allowance. So, anything in excess to that recommended daily allowance will make you sick or itatapon mo lang yan sa inidoro. So, sige naman, magkano ngayon ang vitamins? Ang average capsule is nasa 25 pesos. Ba't di mo na lang siya ibili ng mansanas? Bili mo na lang ng pagkain. Mag-enjoy ka pa, malalasahan mo, mamimit mo pa yung recommended daily allowance mo. So, hindi ka nagagastos niyan. Ma-avoid mo yung pag-inom ng vitamins, hindi mo na nalalasahan, mahal pa, hindi mo naman kailangan. Okay? So, ang vitamins ay binibigay lang natin sa mga nutritionally impaired. Ibig sabihin, yung mga hindi maganda yung absorption nila ng mga minerals, yun ang ginagawa natin ng supplement because they need it kasi hindi nila nami-meet yung recommended daily allowance nila for some reason na hindi sila makakain ng tamang pagkain. Hindi katulad natin na pag normal ka, okay naman yung pagkain mo, magaling ka naman kumain, then just eat yung balanced diet. No? So, hindi yung sobra, hindi yung kulang. Consult your nutritionist para ma-meet natin yung recommended daily allowance. And in that way, hindi ka hingi sa akin ng vitamins para iniisip mo kasi na yan ay pampataba. Mali yun. So, ano ba ang balanced diet? Ang balanced diet is composed of different foods that can provide you enough nutrients in the right proportion. So, this includes your fruits, vegetables, lean meat, whole grains, healthy fats. All of them will support your overall well-being. Para mas mabilis maintindihan, ginugroup natin yung diet mo into 3 main groups. Yan yung tinatawag natin GO, Grow, and Glow. Ang Go is for your energy, no? Being active. This is provided by your carbohydrates, no? Examples dito yung mga whole grains, rice, pasta, noodles. Yung grow naman, meaning to say build up. So ito yung protein mo. Yung mga lean meats, beans, ito sila yung nagbi-build up ng muscles. Okay? And your glow, meaning to say that this will make your skin glowy, no? Makinis yung skin mo, healthy looking ang skin, not necessarily maputi kasi hindi naman lahat maputi. Ibig sabihin yun yung healthy skin, hindi, no? Even dark skins are healthy if they are glowing. This can be provided by your fruits and vegetables. So very simple lang yung balanced diet. Dapat meron kang source ng carbohydrates, which is your rice or whole grains, no? Can be pasta or noodles. For your grow, for your protein, for your lean meats or beans, no? And for your minerals and vitamins, this can be from your fruits and vegetables. So bibigyan ko kayo ng rough equivalence, no? Para sa isang layman, kung gaano kadami ba yung madami or gaano kakonti yung kakonti. Okay? So the amount of food that you're going to take in depends on your age, your gender, and your activity. So, kung mas active ka, kunyari sporty ka, syempre, pwede mong itaas ng konti yung carbohydrates mo kasi yun kailangan mo ng energy. If you are bodybuilder, you increase on your protein intake. So, pag concerned ka naman sa mga makinis-kinis na balat, damihan mo kumain ng fruits and vegetables. And the amount, again, will depend on these different factors. Para sa prutas at gulay, you should aim for 5 servings per day. Ang 1 serving is equivalent to ito. Buong palad na ito. Pag nilagyan mo ng gulay yan, so ng salad yan yung enough na serving. That's 1 serving. So, aim for 5 servings per day. Para naman sa protein, aim for a 2 to 3 servings per day, which is roughly equivalent to yung kasing laki ng baraha, isang deck ng baraha, ganun kakapal at ganun kalaki. No? Ganun lang kakonti. Hindi mo kailangan kumain ng isang platong karne. No? So kasing laki lang ng deck of cards. Ganun lang kanipis, ganun din siya kalapad. For the whole grains, no, like rice, kalahating tasa. No? Again, these are just rough estimate. No? So, hindi kapag itong ginamit mo, hindi ka naman mapapalayo sa recommended daily allowance mo. So, better yet, again, you have to consult your nutritionist. Bye!